Hello guys, so today is our first day in Halong Bay and 24th day in Vietnam. So we started our day, we thought we'll climb up to Baitho mountain, that is Poem mountain, but we are not exactly getting the entrance where it is. So maybe we'll continue with our next schedules.
So today in our rest day we came to Tuan Chau beach. This is a private beach. This full island is going through construction. Maybe after a few years this will totally transform into some water game park or something like that. But anyway, the view is beautiful. We can see the Halong Bay mountains. Into our 25th day. So very good morning, and we are heading for a cruise trip for 2 days 2 nights. So we'll be going around the bay and some caves. We'll go for fishing and cooking classes. So hell lot of activities.
Okay, so now I give the room key to you. Refresh. After that 20 minutes, you can come back here for our lunch.
We are going for kayaking, fishing village.
Let's see what we have.
Yeah.
Now we are here. We are standing at number 1. So later we do the kayak or the bamboo boat. We go the same route. We go inside here. When we come here, we can see something like this one, floating houses, some fishing boat. When we arrive number 5, we go to the gate of the village. This one is a more cave. When we go past the cave, we go to the open area. The way is stronger, windy and strong way. Easy to be lost. So come here, take photo. Because when you get lost, I don't know how to find you. Maybe one day, maybe 1 week. So come back here, number 1. Just one circle.
I got cold badly and Dipiman gave me antibiotic, and now we are at kayaking. I know only what I am feeling currently. So I'm on rest now and Dipiman is with the paddle. We are not allowed to go beyond that bridge because current is more there. It actually opens to the main water body. So we'll return this way.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Halong Bay. Firstly, I will show you 3 types of oyster that grow in here. This one, the first oyster. Aquaria oyster. They can make small pearl with size from 3 to 10 millimeter. Have 4 main color: white, pink, yellow, and gray. It takes 2 to 3 years to get one pearl. They come from Japan. And you see this on the second oyster, Tahiti oyster. They can make the medium size with size from 8 to 15 millimeter. Have 1 main color, black color. It takes 4 to 6 years to get on pearl. They come from Tahiti Island front. And you see the last one, the South Sea pearl, big pearl oyster. They can make a very big size with size from 10 to 20 millimeter. Have 2 main color, white and golden color. And they come from South Ocean near Australia. See this one, the protein, the nucleus from oyster shell. They will use to shape the pearl round. You see the second thing, the mother proteins. They are made of the membrane of the oyster meat. To begin the implanting process, we open the mouth of the oyster and then we put one of those and one of those into the ovary of the oyster, and you see the pearl inside. You see?
We really had bad luck at squid fishing. We could not catch any. We did not see any. Well, so I'll just go to sleep now because I'm not really feeling well. Good night.
Hi guys, today is our 26th day. So we are transferred to another small boat. So we are going for a beach and some cave today. So hope you'll enjoy, and the view is beautiful. Again we started kayaking.
Yeah,
The
so
driver?
after about an hour of boat trip, we are all set to kayaking, and we are going for some beach and cave, and then we'll be back on the boat for lunch. That's our whole group. Hi, that's our guide, Hannah. Woo!
जोर लगा के हैया. We are heading towards that beach. Right there.
We're about to land.
Landed.
Here waves are very big, and we have done swimming, so we are next going for the cave.
We came to this cave. This is called Professor's Cave. There's a story behind it, but to come to the cave, this is very muddy, and we got stuck almost to half of our leg, and it was very difficult to remove it.
The name of the cave comes from the local story. Long time ago, when the fishermen living on the fishing boat, they couldn't get enough information about the weather, so they cannot come back to the land or find safety place when a storm with typhoons nearby. They always try to find some cave nearby the area. There was a group of people came here, set a fire and stayed here for a few days. Then there was a man inside that group. He knew the word and the number, and he tried to return like a professor.
Ready for lunch?
Yes, and we are having squid rolls. Yesterday we caught this.
Oh, chuta. এক থালা আলু শুদ্ধ ভাত।
মাখন দিয়ে। We are into our 27th day, and this may be the last cave that we are going through. It's called Grass Cave. So we came to a boat, and the view is beautiful. Like from the top of the cave, we can see the Halong Bay.
So this is actually our last beach of our whole Vietnam tour. We both are really sad because the tour is coming to an end.
But anyway, it's again a beautiful small beach.
North Vietnam people call it with the name Nam. They got about the ingredient you see: carrots, onion, from mushroom, yeah, noodle, vermicelli, spring, easy, right? Green onion. They're from pork, salt, pepper, monotonous, pork mix. Pepper. And then
All
we
try.
mix. Holland rice paper. Fresh water here for salt. And we got 1 spoon and a roll. We roll. And after that we need to be in photo side of rice paper. For luck. And then we roll. We roll again until finish.
Oh,
This is no meat inside. For vegetarian, no meat inside.
different little made.
We go back to Hanoi by the new highway.
Okay.
Yeah, it's right now at 1 p.m. around before 4 p.m. we stay there.